find it difficult to accept myself, accept where I am and who I've become. I constantly beat myself up over past mistakes. It's been tough to let them go. I can't seem to break free from the past. I keep having the same conversations in my head over and over again. It's like a broken tape on a loop in my mind. And honestly, I'm sick of hearing the same negative self-talk. I wish there was an off button, but there isn't. These are my thoughts. I'm going to acknowledge them in this moment. Maybe these thoughts are on loop because I've been judging it for so long. I've been forcing myself to ignore this voice in my head. But it's a part of me. Yes, it's exhausting and challenging. But I'm going to accept that these negative thoughts also deserve love and kindness. Because I cannot hate my way through healing. The healing journey takes a lot of patience and compassion. And that starts with myself. So I acknowledge this discomfort. I acknowledge all of my past mistakes. I recognize this negativity in my head. And I'm open to releasing it. Because this voice in my head is not who I am. It's just a small part of me. I don't have to judge it or blame it for anything. I understand why it's there. It's a form of protection. But I'm here to say it's okay. It's safe to release this self-judgment. I'm making space for more love and compassion, more patience and kindness. I'm choosing to see myself through the eyes of love, embracing my flaws because they're a part of my growth. I'm learning to love myself, every part of me. My past mistakes don't define me. Every day I am growing and becoming who I want to be. I'm embracing self-love unconditionally. I'm accepting and loving myself completely and entirely.